Let's step out of the headlines and into the truth too many ignore. Being young does not mean you throw away your morals. Many 19-year-olds do not take that path. So why did she? I am not saying Diddy is not sick. He is. But Cassie? She needs help too. Because they were in that world together. A team. A business. A lifestyle built on silence, secrets, and exploitation. She was not just sitting in the background. She was part of it. And from her own mouth, she said she enjoyed parts of it. That is not just survival. That is participation. Now, let's be real. We live in a sick world. But you don't have to join it. I know people say money will solve your problems. But at what cost? Some people are out here selling their souls for a buck. They will do anything for fame. But when it is all said and done, can you live with yourself? Many women, including myself, have been propositioned by older men offering money, shopping, vacations, even apartments. Like many others, I never accepted. Because I knew there would be strings attached. And everything they offered, I could provide for myself. Besides, I was never interested in older men. Most young women are not interested in older men. They are only there for what he can give. Cassie stayed in it for 11 years. Now she is married with kids. But here is what people rarely ask. Even with $30 million, can that marriage really survive? Because in relationships, people will sometimes use your past against you. Especially when they are hurt or angry. Cassie gets no pass. She knew what she was doing. She wanted to do it. Until she didn't. And guess what? She got out. No real consequences. No backlash from Diddy. No public fallout. And now she is sitting in comfort while the world pretends she was just a victim.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.